Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. Banish Khan reached out to me and wanted to know if I would like to review their deck on my channel. I said absolutely. So this is the Flights of Fantasy by Banish Khan, or BK. Hopefully I am pronouncing your name right. I do not mean any disrespect. This is in its second Kickstarter campaign, I believe, and I will link everywhere that you need to have the info for down in the description box below. And with that being said, let's dig in. So already I am loving the fact that it is in a tin. Don't mind the dings. I have full faith that it was the delivery process. So already I really enjoy the fact that it's in a tin. And it's like super concise and to the point, which I love. Oh my gosh, there is a ribbon. I love me a ribbon. Oh, it's foiled, gold foiled edges. Ooh. Okay, what's this? Ooh, it's the booklet. Okay. So here we have, this is nice. All right. So it goes into each card with upright and reversed keywords as well. Ooh, very, very nice. And then pages left intentionally blank. I love this. Okay. So I wanted to tell you a little bit about it real fast. It is a fabled base deck that harkens back to stories and archetypes from different cultures. Everything from Brothers Grimm fairy tales to Greek and Hindu deities will find a place among the cards. Their intention is to be as wide-ranging as possible while utilizing different art styles from occult to surrealist. So I'm really, really excited. I love the attention to detail with the packaging. It was really a nice touch. All right, so the back is nice. There's the back. Very pretty. Oh, I got it upside down. Oh my word. I really like this. So there's just a little border up top and bottom. That's not bad, not an issue for me. I really like the size. This reminds me of the Llewellyn tarot deck sizes, which I'm all about. Easy to fit in your hand. Let's see the cardstock. It's thin, but it's flexible and it feels sturdy. It's not super paper thin. And let's just talk real fast about the pretty gold foil. There's some sparkles in there too. Hopefully you can see it being picked up. But I really enjoy the different kind of art styles so far. Look at that. Wow. So pretty. I love this. Ooh. Ooh, I like this for the Emperor. Look at that. Very cool. Oh my. I love. Wow. The art is just stunning. Ooh. Wow. I'm kind of blown away. I mean, honestly, I didn't have any expectations. I kind of go into the art part of it blind. I'm so excited. This is stunning. I love the imagery there. I really like this death card. That is super cool. I've heard that this is like one of the hardest instruments to learn. The sitar. Correct me if I'm wrong. I play flute and that's about it. Ooh, that is a really cool devil card. And real fast, it's a matte. It's not like a super duper matte, but like there's a little shine, but it's really nice. Ooh. I'm like chomping at the bit to get to the guidebook to like read some of these. Very cool. Stunning. And look at the orchids. Oh. It's beautiful. Okay, I really like that these have actual images going on and it's not a pip card. That's really nice. Those cups are really pretty. That's so different. Oh, I love, she's reminding me of Alice in Wonderland right here with the flowers behind her and the blue dress. Wow. Very cool. Oh my. The images kind of remind me of a kaleidoscope, like when you turn and you see different things in different patterns within the kaleidoscope. Ooh. Fish. Okay, he looks like Adam, what is his name? Adam, oh gosh, the guy that was on the OC way back in the day, Adam, oh, if I remember, or I'll look him up and I'll add it in the description box, but is it Adam? It's not Adam Driver. That's Adam Driver is Star Wars. The guy from the OC. Anyway, that's who he reminds me of now. All right, wands. This is really cool. Oh, I love this. The imagery is really neat because it's different and it's like so dreamlike, very fantastical. It may, like, depending on the guidebook, but it may be a little difficult for beginners just because it's so kind of abstract. To kind of get the structure of the tarot. However, we'll look at the guidebook and it might all just make sense. That's really cool. Ooh. I love the bat wings. Ooh, look at that. This is really neat. It's just so different. Each image is so different. Love that. Wow. Wow. I'm loving the suit of the wands here. This is really cool. This is giving me, Cole Sprouse vibes from Rivendell. I'm so sorry. really like the images. This is so neat. That's really cool for the Three of Swords. Wow. Yeah, kaleidoscope vibes in some of these. Little Red Riding Hood. Love that. Very interesting. Snow Queen vibes. Mulan vibes. Love that. I don't know who he reminds me of. A little bit of Ross from Friends, but that's like just a like 1%. James Dean maybe a little bit. Stunning. Love that. Very beautiful. So there was some diversity. It's hard to tell because of the way that the image is the color's kind of blown out and makes it kind of dreamy and ethereal. So I think honestly that would be my only complaint. Only like negative thing on this is that like it just kind of reads a little bit more whitewashed. However, it could just be me. And I don't ever want to say anything that is not, that would make it seem out of context. That's kind of not what I intend. But it is a stunning, stunning, stunning deck. I'm in love with a lot of the imagery here. It's beautiful. This is giving me Mr. Darcy vibes. I'm sorry, I don't know why I had a comment on all the kings, but it's something that I don't normally see in a lot of the more modern decks, is a lot of the fun, masculine vibes like those. So those are neat. Okay, let's see how it shuffles. It shuffles so nice. That is really nice. Ooh, yes. Okay. I really like this kind of a size for a tarot deck just because there's a lot of cards and I want to be able to shuffle quickly and easily, and that's exactly what this is giving me. So, all right, this is the Empress, and we're going to go ahead and read from the guidebook how it will be read if you choose to purchase this for yourself. Okay. The Empress is the embodiment of feminine fertility. Equal parts nurturing and sensual, she is a call to embrace these same aspects within ourselves, thereby connecting with the realms of nature and beauty. As a divine creatrix, she embodies a period of fulfillment where everything you've dreamed of comes true. Alternately, she speaks of literal creation through pregnancy and children. To draw the Empress card signifies a literal or metaphorical birth in which you will nurture a potential seed of happiness into resplendent fruit. The artwork depicts Aphrodite, the Greek goddess of love and beauty. According to myth, she rose fully formed from the waves after Cronus flung his father's Uranus castrated genitals into the ocean. Thus, Aphrodite embodies sexual energy in its rawest form. The same energy is sublimated I can't read, into expressions of art and creativity. Small wonder that Aphrodite is the matron deity of artists and featured in renowned works of painting and sculpture. Here, Aphrodite stands in a field of lush pink roses, highlighting her ties to beauty and creation. In the sky, a nimbus encircles the full moon, reminding us of the phasic nature of the divine feminine and its connection to menstruation and reproduction. Crowning her head are 12 stars, which align her with the mystic realm and the rhythms of the earthly world, such as the 12 months of the year and the 12 planets. So upright keywords would be motherhood, fertility, abundant potential. And reverse would be dependence, inability to manifest, and sterile dreams. Okay, I am so thrilled that this guidebook goes over what the imagery means, because that makes complete sense if you are a beginner. So I just want to real fast go to, okay, so 7 of Pentacles. Yeah, they go through each artwork with reasonings of why the symbols are there. So that is fantastic. That in and of itself will definitely help if you are a beginner, because symbols are important in tarot. And so to add that into the imagery is fantastic. So I don't know. What do you guys think? This is absolutely beautiful. I love the book. I love the way that the guidebook speaks to you. I love the imagery. That's literally the only complaint, is that the diversity just looks a little whitewashed due to the way that the color art is. I know that the diversity is there because you can see it. It's just that it kind of comes across as blown out is the word I want to use. But stunning art nonetheless. I'm really, really excited about it. I'm excited to start using it because I feel like there's a lot of information in the book that will give me a new perspective on the art as well. So let me know what you think down in the comments section. Special thanks to BK for allowing me to get a look up close and personal with this deck. This is phenomenal. I'm excited. I'm very curious to know what you think down in the comment section. And as always, thank you for spending your time with me. I appreciate each and every one of you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.